2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, heated rear seats. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.